Okay, today the first thing you're going to work on is editing your font. So yesterday you gave me 6 different fonts that you thought might work. So kind of today you're choosing one and using that in Illustrator. So opening a new document and typing your company name or slogan or whatever kind of verbiage you're going to use in that font that you've selected. And then you need to expand the font. So you see here that is kind of selected, and you go to Object and Expand. But you also should have your editing fonts how-to handout from Mrs. White to be able to have some more direct instruction for how that works. But it just allows you to kind of manipulate the font more and make it kind of more how you want it to be. Like if you look here at my C coming out, I'm kind of trying to stick with that typical Coca-Cola font. So this is the way that you can do that without having that same necessarily specific font that Coke uses right now. So that'll just be one separate thing, editing that font and just kind of playing with it and giving some things a go. And then the next step is getting to kind of building that actual logo. So you're going to go in and look at that color palette that you gave me yesterday and pick that color that you think you really want, and then determining, how is my logo going to look? What all is it going to entail? And so once again, just remember you're using Illustrator to do this. You can decide if you are totally overhauling kind of their logo and their branding, or just kind of a variation of the original, like we're doing here with the Coca-Cola, where we're still using kind of that classic red, a script font, and just kind of updated it some to make it our own. And remember, your end goal is still that I can kind of identify what the company and brand is and all of that. So you have 2 things that you will work on today. One will just be turning in your edited font, and then the logo, I don't necessarily expect you to get done today. I would expect you to be working on that at least today and tomorrow, and maybe Monday as well.